everyone! Today we will show the progress of our project creating two educational spinners for teaching procedure texts. First, my role was preparing the materials and creating the basic structure of the spinners, and then I collected cardboard as the main material because it is sturdy and easy to shape. After that, I drew the patterns using a ruler to make sure everything was precise. Then I used scissors and a cutter to cut the shapes carefully. I made two large circles as the main body of the spinner, and then rectangles and two triangles for the stand, two pointed triangles as the pointer, and two squares as the base of the spinner. So at this stage, the physical shape of the spinner is ready and prepared for the next step.
My role in the group is basically the product designer and the decorator of our spinner. So first, I grab a piece of a cardboard. And then I make sure that it's thick enough so it doesn't wobble like my whole life decision. And then I will draw one big circle in it. And after that, I divided the circle into 8 pieces. It's like equal slice, like kinda cutting a birthday cake, except sadly no one gets eat it. And then each slice will later hold a part of the procedure text material. Cute but educational, right? And then once the layout was done, my inner artist woke up from hibernation. I start coloring and decorating, adding a little sparkle here, a little sparkle there, and because why not? Because basically, making sure this spinner doesn't look like a learning tool, but more like, it's like, wait, is this a teaching tool? Is a game? It is a work of art or a magical wheel of fantasy. So my goal was simple. I want the grade 10 students see our spinner, like, and immediately go like, oh my god, can I spin it, please? Not just like, class again. No, not like that. Because a visually attractive spinner can boost engagement way more than we think. If the media look fun and inviting, the student naturally get curious and excited. So yeah, the design process is not just about making a pretty spinner, but it's about giving the spinner a whole personality. So when we use it later, the class will light up and it seems like a disco ball. But in an educational way. That's enough for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, after all the previous steps, now it's my turn to assemble all the parts and make sure the spinner works properly. First, I glue all the shapes together. The large circle, the triangle for the pole, and the rectangle for the circle support. Then, I install the skewer, skewer, that is tusuk sate, for the circle to rotate on. Before installing the pointer, I will install a special spacer using cable skin or a straw. Then install the pointer using cardboard shaped like a clock hand. Clock hand. And do the same steps for the second spinner. And finally, I test the spinner to ensure it rotates normally, precisely, and points clearly to each section. So far, we have completed the preparation of materials and assembly of each main part. The next step is to add written content to each section. After that, we will conduct a final inspection to ensure the spinner works properly and is ready for use in teaching. Thank you for watching our progress update and see you